have been asking me what a bridge loan is. Basically, bridge loans have been around forever. You guys have heard about them, just probably under different titles, like hard money loans, soft money loans, short-term loans. But a bridge is basically what it sounds like. It's a loan that you get to take a property from its current state, and then you're going to actually do something with the property in order to get it to its future state. So the bridge financing is temporary financing during that interim period of time. So you generally get bridge financing when you either need to fix something up. So say the current state is, maybe it's not the best, and then you want to repair it and get it to the future state so that at that point, once it's stabilized, you can put long-term debt on it.